Hello guys, welcome back to Lemon8. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to use Lemon8. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly use Lemon8 here? Well, using Lemon8 is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and install the actual app. So you can install this via Google Play Store, search for Lemon8 and install it. Now once you install this, go ahead and open it up. Now, from here, you want to allow a few settings. So first is you need to allow certain permissions. Like for example, the first thing that Lemon8 is going to ask you here is you need to allow notifications on your device. So you could go ahead and allow it or not. Next page is you need to basically specify a few details about yourself. Like for example, your year of birth. Next is you need to determine your pronouns. Are you a she, he, or they? Go ahead and specify that. And in here, you need to also specify your interests. Now, go ahead and specify or choose your interest here. Now, by the way, the interest that you'll be choosing here will be the basis on what content you'll be seeing on the Lemon8 app. Next is you need to create your account. So there are multiple ways in creating your account. You can create your account via Google, by Apple, by Facebook, or even creating it manually by using your phone or email. Now, if you choose phone or email here, you just need to provide some details. Like if you choose email, you just need to enter your email address here and your password that you want to use and click on confirm. Now, from there on, you want to go ahead and just follow the on-screen steps and just start setting up your profile. Now, add your profile name. So the max characters that you could add here for a profile name is 15 characters, but you can go ahead and enter something less if you can. And also, you need to add a photo. So go ahead and do that. Now from here, the first thing you see is going to be your profile. Now in your profile, this one is kind of similar to Instagram as well as TikTok. So if you're familiar with bookmarks, your likes, your following, your followers, likes, and saves, well, in this case, this one is quite similar, or the platform is quite similar. So you won't get lost with this one as long as you know how to use those two similar platforms. Now, also in your Lemon8 app here, so if you go to the home tab at the bottom of your screen, so by the way, there are going to be different icons that you view at the very bottom here. You have home, which allows you to view for your For You page. So you could also go to certain categories for the For You page. You have food, beauty, fashion, home, tech, relations, and a lot more. Now, if you go to following here, this will show you content from people you are currently following. Now, same with any other platform out there, there's a system here that allows you to follow people. You can like and save their content if you want to even comment on that specific content. Now, in this case, we also have the search at the very bottom. So if you want to search for a very specific content creator or even content that you want to basically view, go ahead and choose that. You also have the notification section, which is a bell icon that you see at the very bottom here. So if someone actually likes or comments or follow you, this is where you'll be able to see it. And also you have the plus button, which allows you to start recording content, adding content, or creating content. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, that's your profile. So like what I said before, this is the first thing that you'll be seeing here. So if you want to see your profile, what the content you have right now, if you want to edit your profile, and even access your settings at the very top right here if you want to. But yeah, so that's how you use the Lemon8 app. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lemon8. Thank you for watching.